Hello students, in this video we will discuss the last application of Gauss theorem, that is field due to uniformly charged thin spherical shell. अच्छा, uniformly charged thin spherical shell का meaning क्या? For example, you have a balloon and inside the balloon there is empty. Okay, it is the example of a thin spherical shell that you can say that there is no charge inside the balloon. If charge is there, then it will be distributed all over the surface of that volume. So we have this kind of a thin spherical shell which is having positive charge distributed over surface, and inside there is no charge. So we are talking about the surface. So we will talk about the surface charge density. If Q is the charge over this surface, then sigma will be equal to charge per unit area. Area of this thin uniform shell is equal to 4 pi capital R का square. Capital R is the radius of this thin spherical shell. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to calculate the electric field due to this thin spherical shell at point P, which is at outside to the this sphere. Okay, when P is outside to the shell or sphere. Now, for the calculation of electric field at this point, we need to take the help of Gauss theorem, and for that we have to choose a Gaussian surface. It is the thin spherical shell having charge Q, so we have to enclose it. So we will choose a Gaussian surface symmetrically as another spherical shell having radius small r, which is greater than capital R. So electric flux through this Gaussian surface is equal to integration of E dot ds. Let ds is the small element on the Gaussian surface. So normal to ds एरिया वेक्टर हमें ऐसे मिलेगा, और ये जो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज थिन स्फेरिकल शेल है इसका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कहाँ होता है? रेडियली आउटवर्ड्स. सो इस पॉइंट पर जो इसका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है वो रेडियली आउटवर्ड्स होगा. सो ई एंड एरिया वेक्टर आर इन सेम डायरेक्शन. सो ई डॉट डी एस, ई डी एस कोस जीरो की वैल्यू कितनी है? 1. सो ई इंटू डी एस. यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि ई की वैल्यू मैंने इंटीग्रेशन से बाहर ली है. क्यों? Because at every point of the Gaussian surface, the electric field due to this thin spherical shell will be same by this symmetry. So electric field E will come out to the integration. अंदर क्या बचेगा? ds integration. Okay, now इसकी रेडियस कितना है Gaussian surface का? स्मॉल r. So area will be equal to 4 pi small r का square. So flux through Gaussian surface is equal to E into 4 pi small r square. According to Gauss theorem, flux is equal to Q by epsilon naught. So electric field is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by small r का square. Okay, same expression you have seen when we have done the concept of electric field due to point charge. For example, this is a point charge Q, and at distance r you want to calculate the electric field. Suppose at this point electric field will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r का square, और same expression we have got there. It means if the charge Q of this thin spherical shell is concentrated at point O, then it will give the same electric field at point P, which is given by this thin spherical shell. So we can say that 4 point outside the shell, the field due to charge shell is same as entire charge of the shell is concentrated at the center. Means जितना इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ये शेल हमें इस पॉइंट पर देगी, सेम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कौन देगा? यदि मैं इस स्फेरिकल शेल का टोटल चार्ज O पॉइंट पर कंसीडर कर लूँ. नाउ second case we will do that if P point is lying on the surface of the shell, that is when point P is at the spherical shell. So what we have to do? देखेंगे when P will be at the surface of this spherical shell, then small r will become equal to capital R. So only what we have to do, we have to replace small r by capital R. So electric field will be equal to 1 by 4 का epsilon naught Q by capital R का square. Okay, in the beginning we have done the concept of surface charge density, sigma equal to charge per unit area. So we will replace Q by 4 pi capital R ka square as sigma. So electric field will be equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Okay, now third case, when point P is inside the shell. If point P is inside the shell, then again with the help of Gauss theorem we have to calculate it, the electric field at point P. So I will choose a Gaussian surface as spherical shell having radius r, और इस r की जो वैल्यू है वो कैपिटल R से क्या कम है. नाउ यहाँ पर जो फ्लक्स होगा वो किसके इक्वल होगा, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटू एरिया. ठीक है, सो E इंटू 4 पाई स्मॉल r का स्क्वायर. अकॉर्डिंग टू गॉस लॉ फ्लक्स किसके इक्वल है, क्यू बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट. बट इनसाइड द स्फेरिकल शेल देयर इज नो चार्ज, so value of small q will be equal to 0. So electric field inside the spherical shell is equal to 0. ठीक है. Now variation of electric field with distance r. देखेंगे this is the positively charged thin spherical shell. Okay, now this axis is representing electric field value. This axis is representing the distance from center O. Now up to the radius r, that is inside the shell, electric field is 0. So from this to radius r electric field की वैल्यू कितनी है, 0. At point r, at the spherical shell, it means electric field की वैल्यू कितनी है, 1 by 4 का epsilon Q by capital R का square. So at या ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द गिवन स्फेरिकल शेल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वैल्यू कितना है, 1 by 4 का एप्सिलॉन Q by कैपिटल R का स्क्वायर. ओके, आउटसाइड टू द शेल वी नो दैट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज इक्वल टू 1 by 4 का एप्सिलॉन नॉट Q by R का स्क्वायर. सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डिपेंड्स ऑन 1 by R का स्क्वायर. देखेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डिपेंड्स ऑन Q by स्मॉल r का स्क्वायर, और वी कैन से दैट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डिपेंड्स ऑन 1 by r का स्क्वायर. जैसे जैसे r बढ़ता जाएगा E की वैल्यू घटती चली जाएगी. सो इट इज द ग्राफ एज द वैल्यू ऑफ r इंक्रीजेस द वैल्यू ऑफ E डिक्रीजेस पैराबोलिकली. Okay student, this is all about the chapter electric charge and electric field. In the further video we will do the concept of electric potential.